In 1906, they put a black man in a zoo cage and said it was science. This really happened. His name was Ota Benga, taken from Congo after his wife and children were killed, shipped from Africa to America alone. They put him on display with monkeys. In the Bronx Zoo, crowds stared and laughed. Leading scientists called it education. Black churches protested, begging for dignity. But no one stopped it. When they finally let him out, the pain was unbearable. He just wanted to go home. Ota Benga died by suicide. For decades, his story was buried. Share this because Ota Benga mattered.